it looks like this.
What's that?
Like that.
But we don't eat shrimp.
We don't eat shrimp.
Can you put? Can you not put the shrimp?
Orang dapat ke sisa para
Can.
We don't eat shrimp. We
Oh.
don't eat pork also. I'm sure we no pork this one. But we don't eat shrimp.
Omongan oleh orang gaya petes jenenge pecel gitu.
May kanin na siya. Ganito pala siya, oh. Ano ba kasi ba't anghang naman yan? Hala ka. Sabihin mo na wag lagyan ng maraming sili.
Pero kasi yung naano niya na is may shrimp na.
Yun lang.
Nateko sing orang gaya apa timun.
Isa na isip ko business sa Pilipinas. Tira mo kasi daw siya gumawa.
Ah, yeah, ready.
But where did you buy that? Where did you bought the rice? Where did she bought the rice?
This rice with chicken. Rice with chicken.
Rice with chicken. So have different chicken, tofu like that.
Hindi naman ito.
Fresh na mabasa. Fresh. So amazing. Kung may mga ganyan ako naisip ko talaga ibenta sa Pilipinas.
Yan ang laing.
Wala fast food to, ha?
Mga ngayon, tumawid, hindi pa akong trabayan.
Opo, cheese ya.
I-post ko.
Gusto talaga, i-post na.
Ganyan nila ginagawa. What's that? Oh, just like a seasoning. Nilalagyan nila ng norte.
Hindi ba ano tomate?
Wow, may tomato. Para tayo mag-order.
Tomatoes, tofu, onions.
No, iba naman daw yung flavor.
Ah,
That
ibang
rice,
flavor.
may chicken daw yan.
Hindi man siguro yan shrimp.
That one, she said that is
Eh,
shrimp.
basahin mo, baka...
Titi eh.
Where is it?
Ayan mo.
Kasi kilo. So, gano'n naman ang ta.
Eh, Indonesian din. Paano ko mabasa?
Hindi ah. May English oh.
Hindi ah. Chili, sugar. Yeah, shrimp.
Diyan natin ipalagay oh. Hindi pa niya nalagyan ng shrimp dyan.
Sa maliit.
Oh, sobrang anghang. I-request mo lang natin na huwag nalagyan ng sobrang
Ibenta
sili.
natin sa taga Bicol.
May chicken pala siya. Oh, yan.
Oh, fried chicken.
Ayan. Tignan mo.
But you can buy only this one in Indonesia. This one.
Oh iya,
Chicken.
in Indonesia ba?
Te, tinan mo te yung ano niya. Para siyang
Kawali.
No, para siyang ano.
Kulon.
Is this together like that when you buy in Indonesia?
Parang pastil ba? Tama lang yan sa lagyan mo rice na. Pastil.
Oh, rice. You have rice like that.
May rice na sila. Ayun oh.
Te, yan te, gusto mo i-try natin? Isa? Isa lang.
Pero wag naman yung lagyan ng ano.
No shrimp. That one no shrimp, right? Only chicken.
Use this. Not this.
Yeah.
Instead nga shrimp, ibalagay mo yung tofu.
Chicken nga eh.
Chicken na pala. Wala lang, uupok talaga yan. Doon talaga, nakakarap talaga yan bro. Talaga naman po si Isaac.
I'm so amazed.
So iso lang pero ito tuto iya.
You always do that every Sunday? Every Sunday?
Yeah.
holiday.
Oh no, today is not Sunday. Sorry. Today is
Every Sunday and public holiday.
Saturday. Wow. What's this one?
Sugar.
Sugar.
That's sugar.
Hindi nalagyan na ng betchin. Pero siguro yung sa atin, yung version natin, walang mga betchin, walang mga ano. Para different negosyo na tayo.
Sino naman bibili niyan doon sa akin?
Hi, maniwala ka. Pagkain yan eh. Pagkain din siya.
Mintahan ko magkalit na.
But it's nice. I like it. Ano, you want to try? Ilas natin yung chili. I-request mo. Wala na siguro shrimp dyan kasi nahalo na yung
Dapat tulong lagyan ng maraming sili. Pagkain natin, ay hindi ba kami hinig sa sili?
Oo. Ano? Isa lang? We buy one, but the chicken only. Chicken we buy one.
Chicken only?
Yeah, chicken.
30.
No, I mean we buy like that. It's a set also. How much that one? 25, right? Like that. What? How much that one?
This one set,
Yeah,
30.
30. 30 daw din. With that one, oh gulay. Ano? Right?
Go.
But when we order only a little bit chili.
Hmm?
When we order a bit chili only, like that, it's okay?
One silly.
Can we try to make?
Yan.